Hi, I'd like to give a quick tip to anyone thinking about making their own router table. This is my router table. It's an MFT with a router screwed in from the bottom, and the bit just sticks out through one of the dog holes. But that's not the focus of this video. The focus is dust collection for a homemade router table. To me, dust collection is extremely important, especially for something that makes as much dust as a router. So I went out looking at different products. There's a few out there that offer a sort of dust extraction and chip guard functionality. Personally, nothing really stood out, nothing impressed me, except the dust collection system, the chip guard that ships on Festool's router table. But unfortunately I thought it came with a $2,000 investment. Well, turns out on Festool's EKAT system, their spare parts catalog, you can buy the very same chip guard that ships on the Festool router table, and this cost me $32 in parts, under $32. I'll put the part numbers in the description for anyone that's interested, but let me show you quickly how it works. So this is the dust collecting attachment. The hose would go plug into there. Screw this onto your table, and then this chip guard goes over top. You can just position it to be slightly above the wood you're going to be working with. Slightly higher. Tighten it down and get going. And this just gives you fantastic dust collection. I went ahead and changed the bit in here from a flush trim to a round over, and now I can show you just how well it works. Hardly any dust there. Now for fun, let's try taking this away and see what we get. Makes a big difference.